Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be building a phone holder for the Summer Builds 21 challenge hosted by the Down Under Woodworks. First thing we're going to do is mix up the 2-part epoxy, and I'm using the wife's silicone tray. Don't tell her that. It was in the kitchen and I found it and it's mine. Going to be using 3 color pigments. Trying to get the ocean feel out of this mix, so there's 2 types of blue. One's kind of turquoise and a white. Before you start pouring the epoxy, you just got to make sure that the surface is level and flat. Depending on the type of epoxy you're using, you should be able to cut the epoxy with a knife before it fully cures. This one took about 6 hours before it was dry to the touch, and then I was able to cut it with a knife. Just drawing out the shape of the lady I want, and then I'm going to go to the bandsaw and cut the shape out. Safety first, always make sure where the blade is and where your fingers are when you're working with the bandsaw. Take it easy, slow, and you should be okay. I was kind of rushing to make the deadline and I kind of blew her hand off. It's okay though, she's still got 4 fingers left. Again, safety first, make sure you got your suntan lotion on before you go to the beach. She finally made it to the beach. She looks relaxed and she's ready for summer 21. As always, if you want to support small channels like ours, please leave a like, leave a comment, tell us what you like, what you didn't like, and if you prefer, you can also share this video on other social media platforms. That'd be appreciated. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you again soon.